सुनाते।
The pandemic has reinforced our belief that representative multilateralism is the key to a sustainable future for all. We therefore also welcome the joint statement on strengthening and reforming the multilateral system issued by our foreign ministers in June. And we call on BRICS to be equally bold and determined in seeking reform of the United Nations Security Council, among other things, to enable Africa to take its rightful place among the collective nations of the world in this crucial body. We are now in the final decade towards meeting the Sustainable Development Goals. We must remain focused on the attainment of better health outcomes while also pursuing the goals of quality education, decent work, climate action, and peace and justice. Lastly, we must strengthen our cooperation, deepen our partnership and our friendship, and actively strive towards a world of better health, better opportunity, and shared prosperity for all. I thank you.
धन्यवाद राष्ट्रपति रामाफोसा जी। मैं राष्ट्रपति बोल्सोनारो को उनके ओपनिंग रिमार्क्स के लिए आमंत्रित करना चाहूंगा।
Mr. Narendra Modi, Prime Minister of India, Mr. Xi Jinping, the President of the People's Republic of China, Mr. Cyril Ramaphosa, the President of South Africa, Mr. Vladimir Putin, the President of the Russian Federation, ladies and gentlemen. It is for me an honor to again meet with the leaders of the BRICS Summit. In my third summit of this group, in my capacity as President of Brazil, I would like to thank the Indian rotating presidency for the excellent efforts undertaken in 2021 and for organizing this summit meeting. Unfortunately, it has not been possible for us to meet in person this year again to address